Hey guys, let me go ahead and show you real quick how to grab a shareable link from Screencast.com if you decide to use this for your screen capturing tool on the assignment for capturing digital presentations. This is how you're going to end up getting the link to put into the discussion boards to share. So with that being said, let me say TechSmith Screencast is like the free version of TechSmith Relay or Nomi, I think it just changed its name to. That is what we did the EdTPA project in. So if you went ahead and used TechSmith Relay to do the EdTPA assignment, your same login with your Athens State email address and whatever password you created and stuff will work on Screencast too, because it goes across all of the TechSmith products. So if you have gone ahead and done a TechSmith Relay thing or a TechSmith Nomia thing, go ahead and just sign in using your Athens State email and the password you created. And if you haven't, you can go ahead and sign up with a free account with a Gmail account or something like that too. But again, I find this one to be pretty easy to use, so this is the one I would go with. So I'm going to click sign in, and like I said, it kind of connects into the TechSmith stuff, so it's already going to pull in my Athens State email address that I've been using because I'm already logged into the Nomia stuff to do actually this recording anyways. So with that being said, I logged in. If you are recording for the first time and you're going to get some practice at it, you're just going to click Launch Recorder. If it's the first time you've ever recorded on that device, it'll probably go ahead and do a quick install of the software, and then it'll pop up and you guys can kind of click around and figure out how to do the recording on that. But it's pretty easy. Like I said, you just hit Launch Recorder, make sure your microphone's on, set up the screen area you want to capture, which will be whatever your Prezi presentation is, and then you go ahead and do your recording and you're done. So once you have done your recording, it'll pop up down in here, and this is where I want to go ahead and show you guys how to get the shareable link for it. So we're going to go ahead and say this is the video I'm going to share, so it's 5 minutes and 1 second, 1 second over the time frame. I'm going to go ahead and click share, and I'm going to get this share URL right here. I'm going to copy it, and then basically I'm going to paste that into the discussion board for our class. So let me go ahead and hop in real quick into the class, which this one is here, and we're going to come down and I would go into EdTech Resources, or you can go in through the module, and then I'm going to scroll on down to the very bottom right here, EdTech Resources, click it, and then I'm going to go ahead and create a thread, and I would create my thread for I did teaching with movies. I'm going to go ahead and put my name on it too, just so that it's easy for me to go back in and grade. So if you want to do that, it'd be awesome to help. And then down here, I would end up putting in my screencast, and I would actually come in and put in my Prezi presentation URL too. Now make sure you actually put in the presentation to your actual Prezi. I am only going to put that in because I don't want to have to go look it up right this second. But you need to actually do it where when I click on that link, it takes me to your Prezi.com presentation. And then remember to go in here and do the URLs so they're clickable. That helps out a lot. And open it in a blank window, insert, and that way when I hit submit, that would be easily clickable. Alright, so I would do the same with Prezi, and then we are done. I'd hit submit, and it is in there, and we're good to go. But that's how you get the shareable link from Screencast.com in order to be able to knock out this assignment. So if you have any questions on it, just let me know. Thanks.